In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background color from pasted text in Google Docs. If you've ever found yourself copying and pasting text into Google Docs only to end up with an unwanted background color that disrupts the look of your document, you're not alone. Fortunately, removing this background color is simple once you know how. First, let's begin by opening up your web browser. In the search bar, type in Google Docs and hit Enter. You'll be directed to a page with a link to Google Docs. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, you'll need to log in if you aren't already. Simply use your usual credentials to gain access to your documents. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But for many of you, logging in will get you quickly to your documents. Once you're logged in, decide whether you want to open an existing document or create a new one. If you're tackling an existing document, simply click on it to open it up. For those of you starting fresh, just click on the blank option to begin a new document. Now that you've got your document open, locate the text that has the unwanted background color. Carefully highlight this text that you want to clear of any distracting backgrounds. Noticing this color when you paste can be quite common, especially when you're copying from web pages or other formatted text documents. The easiest way to remove this unwanted background color is to navigate to the menu bar at the top of your screen. Look for the option that says Format. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, select Clear Formatting. This action should immediately remove the background color, as well as any other formatting that the text might have come with. It's a powerful way to strip your text back to basics. Alternatively, there is another method you can use if you prefer. Start by highlighting the text with the background color, just like before. This time, look for the highlight color icon in the toolbar, which often resembles a marker or a pen. Clicking on this icon will give you a palette of color options. From here, select None. This will effectively remove any highlight color from the text, leaving you with a clean, uncolored background. And there you have it, two straightforward methods for removing unwanted background coloring from your text in Google Docs. This simple change can greatly improve the readability and aesthetic of your document. Thank you for watching, and happy document editing.